let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 3 of chapter number 12, Heron's formula, and this is the last session of this chapter, and we are going to complete first left out questions of exercise 12.2. I think 3 questions बच गए थे, उसको पहले complete कर लेते हैं. After that we will do some additional questions. Okay, a kite is in the shape of square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and isosceles triangle of base, this one, part 3, and side 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shades as shown in this figure. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? Let ABCD be a square of square whose each sides is a centimeter and the diagonals is given 32 centimeter. Okay, in this one diagonal is given 32 centimeter, but in square the diagonals are equal and diagonals are bisected 90 degree. That property we know. So AC is equals to BD is equals to 32 centimeter. Okay, and now in right triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Okay, and by using Pythagoras theorem, suppose this is A, B, मैं इसको नाम लिख दे रहा हूँ so that you will not be confused, C and D. Okay, AB square plus BC square plus AC square, because this is 90 degree, right? And this is A square, this is A square, and this is 32 square. So 2A square, 2 times A square is equals to 32 into 32. So A square will be 32 into 32 upon 2. So 132 we can cancel and we'll get 16, और ये भी 16 into 2 होता है. So if you take square root, what you will get? What is the value of A?
Sir, 16 root 2
Very good,
centimeter.
16 root 2. और हम लोग को अभी साइड यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए, हम लोग को क्या चाहिए? एरिया चाहिए. सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 16 into 16 into 2 पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे and we'll got the area 512 centimeter square. Now we know that the diagonal of square divides a square into 2 congruent triangles. तो ये area 1 और area 2 का जो एरिया है वो इक्वल होगा. So area of square is nothing but side square, so 512 centimeter square, and diagonal BD divides the square into 2 equal triangular parts. Okay, यहाँ पे equal triangular parts लिखेंगे, मैं लिख देता हूँ. Parts 1 and 2. So area of shaded part 1 is equals to area of shaded part 2, and both will be equals to half of 512. That is, the final answer is 256 centimeters square. Okay, any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, now the third part. For third part, what we have to do? We have to use Heron's formula. Okay, now we find the area of triangular part, the third part, by using Heron's formula. So what is the Heron's formula? Pranav? Pranav Bisen, Heron's formula. Reshita? Vindhya?
Yes, sir.
Heron's formula.
Sir, under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c.
Okay, very good. So उससे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे? सेमी पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे. Okay, so these two sides are given 6 and 6 equal sides. So 6 plus 6 plus 8 by 2. So what is the sum here?
20.
20 by 2?
10.
10. So semi perimeter, the value of s we got 10. Now we'll write that formula. ठीक है? That whole root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now we'll substitute the value of s, a, b and c. So after substituting, we will get root over 10 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 8. So we'll get root over 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. Okay, so this 10 we can write 2 into 5. So दो 4 अगर हम लोग स्क्वायर रूट लगाएंगे तो एक 4 बाहर आएगा और ऑलरेडी 2 2s are there. Okay, so 2 into 5 into 4 into 4 into 2, so 1 4 and 1 2 will come out from the square root and we'll get 2 into 4 into root 5, so 8 root 5. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, now the value of root 5 is approximately 2.236. So again we'll multiply it with 8 and we'll write approximate answer 17.88 centimeter square. Right, now this is question number 7. Now we are moving towards question number 8. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. यहाँ पे फिगर में दिया हुआ 16 tiles which are triangular, the sides of the triangle being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter, 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So first of all we need to find the area of triangle. Okay, एक triangular टाइल का हम लोग को एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा. So how will you find the area of one tile? How will you find the area of one tile?
By using Heron's formula.
Right, by using Heron's formula. So एक को A, B, C लेंगे हम लोग. ठीक है. So we'll take 9 centimeter as A, 28 centimeter as B, and C as 35 centimeter. You can change it by according to your wish. Okay, so we are getting the perimeter 9 plus 28 plus 35. कितना आ रहा है?
72.
Okay, 72. So the value of S is equals to 72 by 2.
36.
36. Right, 36 centimeter. So by Heron's formula, area of triangular shaped tile is equals to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C whole root. So we'll substitute all the values. 36 into 36 minus 9, 36 minus 28 into 36 minus 35. So 30 whole root 36 into 27 into 8 into 1. Okay, अब इसको हम लोग थोड़ा फैक्टराइज करेंगे, स्प्लिट अप करेंगे. 36 we can write 6 into 6, 27 we can write 3 into 3 into 3, and 8 we can write 2 into 2 into 2. So 6 has one pair, 3 has also one pair, and 2 has also one pair. What is left under the root?
3 and 2.
Okay, 3 and 2, that is 6. So 6 into 3 into 2 into root over 3 into 2. So what we are getting, 36 root 6 is the area of one triangular shaped tile. So the value of root 6 is approximately equals to 2.45. So we'll multiply with 36, we'll get 88.2 centimeter square nearly or approximately. So this is the area of one tile. How many tiles are there?
16.
16. So we have to multiply 16 into 88.2. Okay, area of one tile is 88.2 centimeter square. So area of 16 tiles is equals to 16 into 88.2. If you multiply, we'll get 1411.2 centimeter square approximately. Now the cost of 1 centimeter square is given 50 paise. Okay, so cost of this much area will be equals to 1, this is into 50, but this is in paise. So how will you convert it into rupees? How will you convert this into rupees?
By multiplying by 100.
Multiplying
Dividing it by 100.
divide it by 100, right? So we'll divide it by 100. तो ये यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो गया. So इसको पूरा 2 से डिवाइड करोगे तो you'll get the answer. Okay, 100 paise is equals to 1 rupee. So 50 paise is equals to 50 upon 100 rupee. So final answer is 705.50 60. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So hence the total cost of polishing tiles is rupees 705.60 paise. Now the last question of that exercise, a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter, 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So we are going to take, let ABCD be a field in the shape of trapezium. So this trapezium. इसमें क्या करेंगे हम लोग, यहाँ से एक पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. We will draw a parallel line to AD and then we will draw one perpendicular line, that is BM, okay, to DC. So after that what we can show that ABED is a parallelogram. Okay, so यहाँ पे parallel sides क्या क्या है, 10 और 25. This is 25 CD पूरा यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, right? And non-parallel sides are 13 and 14 meters. Okay, non-parallel sides are 13 meter, and draw one more is there, BC is equals to 14 meter. Draw BM perpendicular to DC, okay, and BC is 14 meter, that is given. Also draw BE parallel to AD so that ABED is a parallelogram because opposite sides are parallel, right? Now what is the length EC?
15 meters.
15. How you got 15? Because parallelogram opposite sides are equal, so this is 10 meter और यहाँ से यहाँ तक 25 है, so this length will be 15 meter. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Fine. Okay, now BE is equals to AD is equals to 13 meter, opposite sides of parallelogram. Similarly, AD is equals to DE is equals to AB is equals to 10 meter. Now in triangle BEC, now we are going to find the area of triangle BEC by using Heron's formula. So 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2 कितना आ रहा है देखो इसमें,
42.
42 by 2. So finally
21.
21, right? We get 21 meter. And the area of triangle is given by formula, Heron's formula, root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So we'll substitute all these values. 21 into 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. So we'll get root over 21 into 8 into 7 into 6, right? Now we will factorize. 21 को 3 into 7 लिख सकते हैं, 8 को 2 into 2 into 2 और 6 को 2 into 3, या सबको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, उसके बाद स्क्वायर रूट निकाल दो. बट बेस्ट मेथड इज वी विल राइट 21 as 3 into 7. ध्यान से देखो, एंड 8 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 into 2, and last one 7 is there, and one more 6 is there, 2 into 3. Okay, if you take square root, so क्या क्या बाहर आ रहा है, 3 आ रहा है, 7 and 2 2. So if you multiply, what you are getting, 21 into 4, 84.
Yes,
So
sir.
84 meter square is the area of this triangle. Now this area you can calculate by using half into base into height also. ठीक है, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, हाफ इंटू 15 इंटू BM. ठीक है, EC का वैल्यू 15 कैसे है तो ऑलरेडी मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दिया हूँ, फिर से यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ मैं. EC is equals to DC minus DE. DC is 25 and DE is 10, so 15 meter आ गया. Okay, so half into 15 into BM is equals to 84, और BM is equals to 84 into 2 upon 15, and if we simplify you will get 11.2 meter. Now why we calculated BM? In order to find the distance between the parallel lines, क्योंकि area of trapezium का formula क्या है, half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. So now we are going to find that only. So half into sum of parallel sides is AB plus CD into BM. So AB is 10 and CD is 15. So we'll substitute. This is 35, and if you divide these two, you will get 5.6. ठीक है, या पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करके 2 से डिवाइड करो तो हम लोग का आंसर मिलेगा 196 मीटर स्क्वायर. एनी डाउट हियर?
No, sir.
ओके, नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड सम एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस. ओके, क्योंकि पूरा एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस हो गए हैं. द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए ट्रायंगुलर फील्ड इज 420 मीटर and its sides are in the ratio 6:7:8. Find the area of the triangular field. So we'll take sides as 6x, 7x, 8x. Okay, you can take any other variable also. You can take 6k, 7k, 8k. तो एक बार k ले लेते हैं. Let the sides be 6k, 7k, 8k. Now the perimeter is given 420. So the sum of all these three sides is 420. So if you add all this, what you are getting?
21.
21. Okay, 21k is equals to 420. So what is the value of k?
20.
20. Right. Now we'll find one by one. A को ले लेते हैं 6k. 6 into 20 कितना आ रहा है?
120.
120. Right. B is 7k. 7 into 20.
140.
Right. And C is 8k. 8 into 20.
160.
160. Right. अब हम लोग पेरीमीटर, सेमी पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे, because perimeter already given in the question 420. So 420 by 2.
210.
210. Right. Now area of triangular field. Again we will use Heron's formula. The formula is whole root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now we'll substitute all these values. Now what we are going to get? 210 into 90 into 70 into 50. ओके, अब इसको थोड़ा स्प्लिट करेंगे हम लोग. 21 इंटू 9. ध्यान से देखो, सब में एक एक 10 में अलग कर दिया हूँ. 4 10. दिस इज ऑल 4 10s. सो 21 इंटू 9 इंटू 7 इंटू 5. ओके, अगेन ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पे एक 3 बाहर आ रहा है. ओके, 7 इंटू 3, ये 9 का एक 3 बाहर आएगा ना, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे. अब 7 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 इंटू 7 बचा. यहाँ पे और क्या बाहर आएगा?
7.
7. So 3 into 7 into 2 tens means 100. So we'll get 300 into 7 root 15. Okay, so 2100 and root 15 meter square. So root 15 का approximate value 3.873 होता है. If you multiply with 2100, we'll get 8133.3 meter square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now we'll move towards one more very good question. Find the area of parallelogram given in this figure. Also find the length of this altitude, AH. So, how will you find the area of parallelogram? First of all,
B into S.
हम लोग को
Base
ये वाला
height.
एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा. This triangle, the area of this triangle we need to find. And we know that diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles or two triangles of equal area. So how will you find area of parallelogram? 2 into 1 area of one triangle. Okay, we'll start with first ABCD is a given parallelogram, and we'll take A as 12, B as 17 और C as 25. हम लोग triangle BDC का area निकाल रहे हैं. So what is semi perimeter here? A plus B plus C by 2. So 12 plus 17 plus 25 by 2. How much you are getting? Add all these three. What you are getting?
54.
54 by 2.
27.
27, right. So now we'll write that formula, Heron's formula. Okay, now we'll substitute all the values. Now what we are going to get, 27 into 15 into 10 into 2. अभी और स्प्लिट करो, 27 को भी हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, 3 into 3 into 3. ओके, ध्यान से देखो, 3 into 3 into 3. और 15 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 3 into 5. ऑलवेज फैक्टर्स निकाल के स्क्वायर रूट लिखना ज़्यादा इजी है. एंड 10 वी कैन राइट 5 into 2. And last 2 is left. So 1 3 1 3 1 5 1 2. So 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. How much you are getting?
90.
Right. So this way is correct. Otherwise you can multiply all. Then you can take square root. You will get 10 centimeters square. Okay. Now just now I told that diagonal of parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles or two triangles of equal area. So area of parallelogram will be equals to 2 into 90, that is 180 centimeters square. Any doubt here? We got the area of parallelogram. Now area of parallelogram we can calculate on the basis of other formula also, that is base into height. If you take base 12 centimeter, what is the height?
AH.
Right. So AH into DC is equals to 180 centimeters square. So AH is equals to DC is 12. So 180 by 12, that is equals to 15 centimeter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. Now one more very good question. In figure, triangle ABC has sides. AB is equals to 7.5 centimeter. AC is equals to 6.5 centimeter and BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Now on base BC, a parallelogram of same area as that of triangle ABC is constructed. Similar question is given in our textbook. Okay. Find the height DF of the parallelogram. This height we have to find. Figure is clear, all of you? Figure is
Yes,
clear to
sir.
all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we'll start finding the area of triangle first. So we'll take A as 7 centimeter, B as 6.5 centimeter, C as 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so add all what you are getting perimeter.
21.
Yes, if you add all this, you will get 21. So S is 21 by 2. Don't write in decimal. Now area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula is root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Substitute all the values. So 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 minus 7 into 21 by 2 minus 6.5 into 21 by 2 minus 7.5. यहाँ पे क्या मिल रहा है बताओ? If you take LCM and simplify. Yeah.
7 by 2.
Right, fine. Here, if you multiply these two, 13. You will get 8 by 2. Okay. If you multiply these two, 15. So here you will get 6 by 2. I repeat, 7 by 2, 8 by 2, 6 by 2. Okay, 6 by 2 is 3. So यहाँ पे देखो ध्यान से 2 into 2 into 2 कितना होता है?
8.
8. So what we are getting? 21 into 7 into 3. 7 into 3 is 21. 7 into 3 is 21. So what is the square root of this?
441.
Sir,
Final
21. Sir,
Yes,
21.
21 centimeters square. Clear? क्योंकि 21 दो बार आ गया ना. 21 and this is also 21. So area of triangle we got. Now it is given that the area of parallelogram is same as of area of triangle. So area of parallelogram is base into height, that is BC into DF, and that is equals to 21. Okay, so DF will be equals to 21 by 7. So what you are getting?
3.
Right. So hence DF is equals to 3 centimeter. So let us move towards one more question. This is a very good question. Okay. All these additional questions I took it from exemplar. One book is there, maths exemplar. A design is made on a rectangular tile of dimensions 50 by 70 centimeter, 50 centimeter by 70 centimeter, as shown in this figure. The design shows 8 triangles, each of sides 26 centimeter into 26 centimeter, 17 centimeter, and 35 centimeter. Find the total area of the design and the remaining area of the tile. Question is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले area of one tile निकालेंगे by using Heron's formula. So A को ले लिए 25, B को ले लिए 17, C को ले लिए 26. So what is the sum of all these three sides? (25 plus 26 is 51. 51 plus 17.
68.
68.
Okay. So that means we are getting 34 centimeter as S. So now by using Heron's formula we are getting this one. Now substitute all the values. 34 into 34 minus 25 into 34 minus 17 into 34 minus 26. So what we are going to get, root over 34 into 9 into 17 into 8. Okay, 34 is 17 into 2. ठीक है, थोड़ा फैक्टराइज कर लेते हैं इसको. 17 17, यहाँ पर भी एक 17 है और यहाँ पर भी एक 17 है. सो ध्यान से देखो, 17 into 2, this is 34, and 3 into 3 is 9, and 17 is already there, and this is 8. Now what will be come out from the square root? 17
17 into 3 into 2.
3 and both the 2's, everything will come out. Okay, so 17 into 3 into 2 into 2 will get 204 centimeter square. So this is the area of one tile. How many tiles are there? How many triangles?
8.
8. So we have to multiply with 8. Okay, so if you multiply you will get 1632 centimeter square. So this is the total area of the design. Now we have to find remaining area of the tile. So what is the total area of tile? Rectangle, length into breadth.
L into D.
उसमें से ये वाला पार्ट माइनस करना है. ठीक है. So area of rectangle tile is 70 into 50, that is 3500 centimeter square. Now area of the remaining tile, here remaining area of the tile is equals to 3500 minus 1632 centimeter square. So we'll get the final answer 1868 centimeter square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards the last question of today's session. If each side of triangle is doubled, then find the ratio of area of new triangle thus formed and the given triangle. So सबसे पहले हम लोग ये मान के चल रहे हैं, जो गिवन ट्राइंगल है, एग्जिस्टिंग ट्राइंगल है, उसका जो साइड्स है ए बी सी है, and the semi s is the semi perimeter, small s. And what is small s? A plus b plus c by 2. Okay, so 2s we will get a plus b plus c. Let it be question number 1. So what is the new sides? What will be the new side? Old sides are A, B, C. What will be the new sides? Anyone?
Sir, 2A
2s.
plus 2C.
Right. 2A, 2B, 2C. Okay. So the area of existing triangle, the given triangle is this one. Let it be delta. Okay. इसको delta भी बोलते हैं, triangle भी बोल सकते हो, area of triangle भी बोल सकते हो. Okay. So now we are going to write the sides first. According to the statement, the sides of the new triangle will be 2A, 2B, 2C. And capital S, suppose it is the semi-perimeter of the new triangle. Okay, so capital S will be 2A plus 2B plus 2C by 2 will get A plus B plus C. And what is A plus B plus C from equation 1?
2s.
2S. So this will imply S, capital S is equals to 2 times small s. Let it be equation number 3. Now what is the area of new triangle? Same formula, Heron's formula, but in place of semi-perimeter, we will write capital S, and in place of A, B, C, we will write 2A, 2B, 2C. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now I am going to replace capital S by 2 small s. Everywhere. Substitute कर रहे हैं. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because capital S is equals to 2s. अभी इसमें से एक 2 निकाल लो कॉमन, इसमें से एक 2 कॉमन निकालो, इसमें से एक 2 कॉमन निकालो. So if you multiply with this 2, all 2 commons, what it will become? How many 2 we are taking out? How many 2s? Yes, 3. That means 8. 2 into 2 into 2, and 1 2 is there. So what it will become? 16. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी एक 2 है, एक 2 यहाँ से आया, एक 2 यहाँ से आया कॉमन, एक 2 यहाँ से आया, तो कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? 16.
6.
We'll get this term. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
What is the
No,
square
sir.
root of 16?
4.
4. 4 को बाहर निकाल लो. Right? And this is the area of the given triangle, that is delta, or you simply write triangle. So that means what is the ratio of new triangle to the given triangle? What is the ratio of the area of new triangle to the given triangle? 4 is to 1. This is 4 times of the area of new, old triangle, है ना? Given triangle. So therefore the required ratio is 4 is to 1. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
देखो न्यू एरिया कितना है? 4 into triangle. Okay, or old the given triangle is this one. So what is the ratio? 4 by 1. That is 4 is to 1. Okay, so this is the last question of today's session. So now we are moving towards the assignments of questions. Only 3 questions are there, and you have to complete all these 3 questions. Please take screenshot if possible, or else I will upload till evening. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.